Hi guys! Hello, hello, hello! Kumusta po kayo? It's been long time dahil hindi ako nakapag-upload kasi nagpunta po ako doon sa aking anak sa Devon. So now guys, magkwentuhan tayo. Ito, teka iurong ko lang yung mga ano ko. Tapos ito, ang kanin ko ay brown rice as usual. Ayan. At syempre, naglaga ako ng hindi laga. Sinigang talaga to guys na ulo ng this is the head of salmon. Look. Hello, 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 hello. Everyone, let's go and have something to talk about. So, you know guys, when the it's not Christmas yet, we stop our work at McVitie's at December 19th. But the 20th is my off going to, I take that holiday as well, that day, the 20th. But then, we stop the 19th of December. We don't have a work anymore the following day. Supposed to be, I still have go to work. By the way, guys, let's eat. It's a bone. Okay, what happened, guys, is because I have to travel by the 20th. So the 19th, I was in Edinburgh. If you saw the video that I was in the Edinburgh together with my new found friend. She is from Hong Kong. And we get on together. I like her. She's really good. Very good to me. And she likes Edinburgh. Well, Edinburgh, guys, is very expensive place. Yeah. If you don't know where to go. Of course, if you want to transfer and live in Edinburgh, not within the city, anywhere in the world, when you like the place and you will think that, oh, this is the place that you're gonna be. I think you better think that you stay into the outskirts of the city. Sorry, guys. But, you know, me and my husband, I was thinking about that, to live in Edinburgh. Anywhere you can find a job if you want to. You can go somewhere else if you want to, but I like Edinburgh. Then, back to my travel to Devon. Imagine that I stay in a bus station for 4 hours from Carlisle City. I supposed to go down in Birmingham, but what happened is they stopped in Manchester that I have full to sleep already in the bus. When the bus says that blah blah blah, I didn't hear it what they said, but the driver alone knows my ticket. And when I go down to the bus in Manchester, I said, Birmingham, please, can you help me to take my luggage? And he gave it to me. He doesn't say anything that this is still Manchester and it is not Birmingham. So when I stayed there, he saw me. He's just giving us for me and my daughter, giving us headache. So the short story, they gone and I stayed there for 4 hours. I said, I never approach into the information and ask anything because I only wait for my bus because I know my bus now. But the thing is, it's the wrong bus station. 15 minutes before that I need to go because that's already few hours I stay there. I approached to the information as I said, I am going to Exeter. So here's my time. So they look at it and said, oh my God, why you go down here? This is not Birmingham. Then I found out that this is not a Birmingham. So I stay in Manchester for 4 hours. Then the bus was the one who takes me to Birmingham to catch the bus for Devon or Exeter. Thanks God it was there, and he made, you know, the man. I'm so lucky, I'm so glad to that man who accommodate me for my next ticket to get the ticket to catch the bus towards Birmingham, from Birmingham to Exeter in different time. I didn't pay any penny, any dollar for that. You know, experience. But then I told them about. I said, why you go down here? I said, I did ask the driver and he just let me. Then that's fine. He helped me because it's the driver's fault. Why you give me that? Why you didn't take me to the Birmingham? You know, no more argue. But then I arrived in Exeter at 2:30 a.m. in my house. I mean, in my daughter's house. What can we do, guys? That's life. We have to go with it because it's not my fault. It's not driver's fault, or it's his fault, and it's my fault because I fall asleep. But I was so honest. When I go down, he just let me go, and I asked for the suitcase, and just give me. But the whole thing, I stay Christmas having a party with my daughter's friends, and friends only, family friends. And as well, she is the one who organized the party, so that's the main thing. My son-in-law's family was there as well, so that was nice. And it's Christmas. Nothing to be blamed. My daughter said, it's okay, ma. It's fine. I hope all you guys are having a good Christmas as well, like what I have. But then I have before I coming back, my husband and his family doesn't have a good term, so I'm out of it. Whoever's fault, my husband's fault or it's their fault, I don't really have nothing to say. Okay. Everybody got a mistake. Okay? So, No bother. That's life, like guys. So, be it. Let's go to our next chapter in life. And it's yesterday we have dinner. Me and my husband have reservation at Halston Hotel restaurant there in Penny Blue because it's our wedding anniversary. We're happy that we have time together. And it was Sunday, so it's really good. You know, I feel good really because me and him having out, but we don't stay a lot. Only eating, then walk a little bit in the town, and then go back. Well, anyway, guys, we stay in the city of Carlisle. The city that it's not look like a city. That's reality. Because it's a small city, guys. But a lot of people coming here to have shopping. They have no... Some other cities like Newcastle is far. They need to travel 2 hours or 1 hour and 45 minutes, and that's too long, isn't it? So a lot of people coming here have a well, we live at the outskirts, so yan guys, I done my meal. Thank you so much, guys, for listening to me and getting to know me more. And yeah, my haircut is a new one. This was before I go to have a party. So yeah, thank you guys for listening to me and being there for me. And more videos to come. Honestly, guys, I will include my husband for the next video. But as when we are in the Philippines, he's gonna be one of my guests most of the time. Or this video is introducing to him for the next videos that I'm gonna make. He will be included. Yes, guys, thank you so much. Bye-bye for now. Bye.